Hello everyone. Today we will talk about chapter number 3, separation of substances. As we all know that we need to separate substances in our day-to-day life, like separation of butter from milk and removal of pebbles from our pulses or rice. And you may also have seen your mother filtering the flour before making chapatis. So first of all, the substances occur in two major forms, that is pure and mixture. Then the question arises, what is a mixture? Mixture is a combination of two or more substances which are physically mixed but not chemically combined. In this way, they do not have well-defined specific properties. That means they don't have any such property that they can be differed. Also, the these substances can easily be separated from the mixture by using various methods. Here are some examples of mixture. As you can see, these products which we eat and which are available to us are mixture of different other substances put up together to get a single product. So in separation of substances, we will identify the different ways of separating mixtures and also determine how different ways are used to separate them. Now and also we will answer why do we separate substances of mixture, because to get useful substances, to get rid of impurities and to use the substances of a mixture separately. So now you will ask, how will I separate a mixture? Here you can see are some of the examples which can be used to separate different types of mixture while following these processes. First of all, hand picking method. The components of a solid-solid mixture can be separated by hand picking method. This is only useful when the particles are large enough to be seen clearly. That means those particles which you can see through your eyes can be separated using this method. For example, separating pebbles from rice or dal. Also, separating parts of salad, as you can see, and differ between all of them. This method is used in such case when the particles are large and can be differentiated. The second process is threshing. Threshing is the method that is used by the farmers to separate the grains from the stalks. The dried stalks are beaten to separate the grains. However, in large farms, there is a machine known as thresher. It is used to separate the grains from the stalks, and this process of separating the grains from the stalks is known as threshing. Third process of separating the substances is winnowing. What is winnowing? Winnowing is the process in which the components of a mixture are separated by wind or by blowing air. As you can see in this picture, there is a woman who is standing on a stool. She is just using the air to blow away the impurities so that the grain which is pure is settled down. So in winnowing, the mixture is allowed to fall from a height and the light components get separated from the heavy ones because of wind or some air which is blown in its way. This method is used majorly by farmers so that they can separate the grains from the unwanted material. That is all for today. We will take next other processes in the next lecture. Thank you.